if you want to enhance your security on Amazon Prime by removing old devices, follow these simple steps to ensure that only your current devices have access. Step 1. Sign into your Amazon account. Go to the Amazon website and log in using your email address and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, hover over the account and list option at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access your content and devices. In the account settings, look for the Your Content and Devices option. Click on it to view all your registered devices. Step 4. Select the Devices tab. Within the Your Content and Devices section, click on the Devices tab. This will display a list of all devices currently linked to your Amazon account. Step 5. Remove unwanted devices. Find the device you want to remove from the list. Click on the Actions button next to the device and select Deregister to remove it from your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your Amazon Prime security settings, ensuring your account remains secure.